What's going on, everybody? You're probably gonna be able to tell, you know, by my energy, probably puffy eyes, that is extremely early in the morning. It's a Saturday, currently 7:16 a.m. And no, I'm not going to a Cars and Coffee. On the contrary, I'm about to embark on a journey. I'm going to a car show. It's Mopar centric. So I'm super excited. No, I'm definitely super excited. Once again, I'm just extremely sleepy. I'm gonna meet with the guys from you know, the other video that you saw from the last vlog. You're gonna be 392 horseplay there and a couple others. So yeah, see you there. Hello, hello. That's good, bro.
Doing alright?
How you doing? Hey.
What's going on?
Hey.
It's just the three of us.
Yeah.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on
I think there's one of those 69 Daytonas with a big wing. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of it. Let's see. You see it? There it is. You see the wing? So we finally made it, and this is so cool. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah! We have a little mini squad of Hellcats, Challengers, Daytonas, Scat Packs. I'm trying to keep up with the crew, with the squad, and at the same time I'm trying to get some footage. There's John back there. We were just at the first meetup. It was at a Dodge dealership. There were a whole lot of Mopars there. I didn't get to film anything because, you know, it was like a stage, like a pre-meet. So we made it, and let me show you the parking spot. Hopefully this music doesn't give me copyright hits. The roll apart. So it's Joey over here, right there. 392 horseplay. But of course there's more.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
So now, this is the Daytona I was talking to you about. John there. And the homie 392. What you doing, bro?
Just chilling, trying to get some rest in the shade.
That's right, man. So you got some good footage today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check me out. 392 horseplay.
Yeah. He's always trying to keep himself out. That's cool, man. So I think this is it. We're done. We'll see you on the other one. Like, subscribe, and give me a comment. See ya.